Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bev and Ryan travel adventure. In today's video, we're taking you on a full tour of the newest landmark in San Diego's Bayfront, the Gaylord Pacific Resort and Convention Center located in Chula Vista, just 7 miles south of downtown San Diego. This $1.3 billion development is the first Gaylord hotel on the West Coast. It features 1,600 guest rooms across 22 stories, a 477,000 square foot convention center, and a spectacular 4-acre water park. As we arrived, the hotel immediately stood out against the wide open landscape surrounding San Diego Bay. Free street parking is available nearby, but spots were hard to come by, so we opted for self-parking in the multi-story garage, which costs $45 per day compared to $65 for valet. Stepping inside, we were instantly blown away by the lobby. The space feels bright, open, and full of energy, with natural light pouring in through the floor-to-ceiling glass walls that perfectly frame the stunning views of San Diego Bay. Towering palm trees and indoor landscaping bring the outdoors in, while gentle water features create a peaceful atmosphere. At the center of it all is the Grand Atrium, a signature feature of every Gaylord property, but this one stands out with open-air walkways that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Cozy seating areas are scattered throughout, perfect for relaxing or taking in the views. And at the far end, a massive 3D digital screen displays mesmerizing ocean waves and colorful animations that make the entire lobby feel alive. We received a warm welcome from the check-in staff. Everyone was upbeat and made us feel right at home. The process was quick and easy, and we couldn't wait to head up to our room and find out what kind of view we'd get. And with that, we're off to the 17th floor. Let's check out room 17073 here at the Gaylord Pacific in San Diego. This is a 2-queen room Pacific view. So as soon as you walk in, we have this small closet space. It's an open closet where you can hang your stuff up there, but there's no hanger, so that's kind of strange. So I have my luggage here already, and these 4 storage drawers here. 3 of them are empty, and this one has the safe. And this is the other closet space here. So there are the hangers. So you have an extra pillow up there, your standard iron and ironing board, but no slippers. So I thought this place would have slippers because since it's a nice brand new hotel. There's an ice bucket with a couple bottles of water, your coffee and tea, and a small fridge. Very small fridge. And right across from this is the bathroom. So this has dual sinks with this large backlit mirror where you can turn it on and off using this button, which is pretty cool. Towels down there below, and of course there's your hair dryer. And a full body mirror, and the sliding door for privacy when you're taking a shower. So there's your toilet and a walk-in shower. And the products they use here are Relash Spa. So I think they have a spa here. We'll check it out later. And there's a shower right there. Now let's check out the bedroom. So there's this little space here where you can sit down or put your luggage. There's a big screen TV. That looks like it's like at least a 60-inch. It's very large. And a nice office desk with outlets and USB-A and USB-C plugs to charge your devices. Let's see what's inside this drawer. It's empty. All right, now here are the 2 queen beds. Let's see how it feels. It's very soft and plush. And of course, they have a bunch of charging outlets here. USB-A, USB-C, and your standard plugs on both sides. And these are for the lights. In the storage drawer, they have a Bible and the Book of Mormon. And the best part of this room is this spectacular view of San Diego Bay. So check this out. So you can see the water park they have here. It's humongous and it's a lot of fun for kids and families. And there's San Diego Bay right there in the background. So overall, it's a very nice modern room here at the Gaylord Pacific in San Diego. The water park is what really makes the Gaylord Pacific stand out. Spanning 4¼ acres, it's packed with fun for all ages, from thrilling slides to relaxing pools. But as beautiful as it looks, this is also the part of the resort that's been getting the most mixed reviews online. So let's take a closer look at all its features and find out why. One good thing about the resort pools over here is they don't open till 10 a.m. And the main entrance is right there, that brown gate on the bottom middle part of the screen. So those doors don't open till 10 a.m. So people can come in at 6 a.m. and reserve seats like some of the other resorts we've been to, because it's pretty crazy when a bunch of seats are already taken at 6 a.m. and then you're just trying to enjoy your vacation, but you gotta wake up super early just to get seats. The most popular spot here is the wave pool, where guests can splash, swim, and ride rolling waves that make you feel like you're right on the beach. For thrill seekers, the large water slides are where you'll want to be. These towering attractions twist and turn high above the pool area and are especially popular with teens as well as adults. And don't worry, younger children have their own splash zone with mini slides and shallow pools that look super fun and perfectly designed for them. My favorite thing to do here though was float along the lazy river. It's calm, relaxing, and winds beautifully through the palm trees and resort views. There's also a large family pool that's great for swimming or just cooling off under the warm San Diego sun. And if you're looking for something a little quieter, the park features an adults-only pool, complete with a bar serving drinks and poolside snacks. Though I'm not sure how strictly they enforce the adults-only rule, since we did spot a few kids swimming around here during our visit. All around the water park, you'll also find private cabanas available to rent, offering shade, comfy seating, and personalized service. Perfect if you plan to spend the whole day here enjoying the sun. When you get hungry, there are 2 convenient spots to grab a bite or drink without ever leaving the water park. Shallow and Grill serves up casual favorites like burgers, wraps, and salads, while Sunny's offers Baja-inspired dishes, tropical cocktails, and frozen drinks. We had the Baja-style fish tacos and ceviche at Sunny's, which were pretty pricey at $20 per item. We thought the fish tacos were good, but I'd skip the ceviche next time. So, everything seemed fine during our visit to the water park. But one thing that's caused plenty of negative reviews is a resort selling day passes through the Resort Pass website, which lets non-hotel guests in and can make it very crowded on weekends. I recommend arriving right at 10 a.m. when it opens to beat the crowds and grab the best spots for your party. So we're at the small game room they have here. When your kids are tired of playing in the pool, they can go over here and spend your money. So I'm not sure what this machine does, but there's a bear on there, a claw machine, which I never win at, and a bunch of arcade games. So it's a very small gaming room, but I'm sure it's still fun for kids, but make sure to bring a lot of money because it's not cheap to play these games here. After spending the day at the water park, there's no shortage of places to grab a bite here. The resort features a great mix of restaurants, from casual poolside spots to upscale dining with bay views. For something quick and easy, the PCH Cafe and Market is perfect. It's the resort's grab-and-go spot located near the lobby, offering fresh coffee, pastries, sandwiches, and snacks throughout the day. The market also sells other essentials you might need, as well as souvenirs to take home. For something refined, there's Old Hickory Steakhouse, the resort's signature restaurant serving premium steaks, seafood, and fine wines, perfect for a special night out. Another elegant option is Marzul Coastal Cuisine, offering fresh Baja-inspired dishes with a focus on local ingredients and relaxing ocean views. Taiyo is the resort's signature Japanese restaurant, offering a sleek modern atmosphere and a menu of Japanese and Pan-Asian dishes. If you're in the mood for something more casual, Treyo Kitchen and Bar serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a relaxed setting. We had dinner here and ordered a Wagyu burger, a pasta dish, and the pistachio creme brulee for dessert. The food was decent overall, but honestly pretty pricey for what you get. When it comes to drinks, the Gaylord Pacific has several bars and lounges, from the stylish OS-tip bar in the atrium to the lively Growler sports bar and tap room, perfect for catching a game. There's even a hidden speakeasy for those looking for a more exclusive, intimate cocktail experience. The entrance was through a clever doorway that looked like a freezer before stepping inside. It was fairly quiet when we arrived, but filled up within 30 minutes. As fans of speakeasies, we really enjoyed the cozy, intimate vibe. The cocktails were a bit pricey at around $25 each, but they were expertly crafted and well worth it. Let's check out this pretty nice fitness center we have here at the resort. So over here, we have a bunch of dumbbells and several benches. There's a cable machine here, Smith machine over here, and there's a bunch of exercise machines on this side. So here's some of them right here. And some kettlebells over here with another cable machine and a stretching area. Let's check out the rest of this gym. So over here we have a bunch of cardio equipment, and these look super nice. So here are some ellipticals and some rowing machines right here. There's a bunch of treadmills. There's probably like almost 20 treadmills here. And some Stairmasters over here with more elliptical machines. And they also have Peloton bikes here. There's 4 of them. So if you use the Peloton bikes, you can continue your workouts over here. So overall, it's a very modern and nice gym here at the Gaylord Pacific. And right beside the gym is a spa if you want to pamper yourself during your stay. It features steam rooms, saunas, and relaxation lounges before or after treatment. One of the standout features of the Gaylord Pacific is its massive event and convention space. The resort boasts a 470,000 square foot convention center, making it the largest on the West Coast for a Gaylord property. Whether you're planning a business conference, wedding, or large-scale event, the multiple spaces here are incredibly versatile. They even have a coffee shop, a FedEx office center, and a Hertz rental car desk by the convention rooms for convenience. Alright, let's talk about what we liked and didn't like. The lobby is absolutely stunning and makes a fantastic first impression, especially paired with a friendly and welcoming staff. We definitely recommend booking a room with a Pacific view for the beautiful scenery and stunning sunsets. Our visit to the water park was relaxing and fun, but keep in mind that it can get extremely busy during the peak summer months, so your experience may vary. Dining on site is convenient, but it can get very expensive, and there aren't any restaurants within walking distance, so you'll need to drive if you want other options. This resort is perfect for families, and we would definitely stay here again, but only during off-peak season when the crowds are smaller and the experience feels more relaxing. And that wraps up our full tour of the Gaylord Pacific Resort. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful for planning your stay, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hotel tours and travel tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and let us know in the comments, is this hotel on your must-visit list in San Diego? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.